My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is the home of the 5-minute or less video. I try to give you everything that you need, both educationally and informational from the side of an IRS agent, so you know the truth. There's a lot of people on YouTube blobbing away about what this is and what that is. Unfortunately, most are really salespeople. They are not former IRS agents, and they've never been in the business a real long time. So let me just tell you who I am. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution. I worked at IRS over a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've been doing this for 50 years. When I was at IRS, I taught the offer and compromise program. I accepted and denied offers and compromise, and I am a national expert in any of the IRS matters. Today I want to talk to you about the 43, I think it is, yeah, the 4314C letter. And when you get that letter, IRS is really asking for more time. When you get that letter, you've already got a CP 2000 notice, which is the IRS under-reporter form that they send you, basically telling that your tax return and your 1099s didn't match up. So IRS is going ahead and they're trying to do a match and telling you, hey, something is wrong. And a lot of times they need more time because they're backed up. They use this 4314C form as an interim notice to let you know they're not done looking. So just because you got a CP 2000 notice, that doesn't mean that tax is owed. It means that the information IRS has, it doesn't mean it's right. It's just the information that IRS has reported. Okay, they got reported to them. They're saying, hey, it doesn't match your social security number. So A, you want to look at the information they sent you, make sure it's correct. If it isn't, you need to challenge that. If you got a 1099 on there and they say, hey, this is the 1099 we got and it's wrong, you should go back to the 1099 source and correct it, or don't pay the tax. You shouldn't do it. You can file an offer and compromise, doubt as to liability, and challenge the 1099 if you need to. But IRS isn't going to let go. They have to go ahead and really smooth their records out. So once again, the 4314 letter that you have is in fact just letting them know that they need more time. By the way, you could have got a 1099. It's possible it is correct. If it is, you may have expenses against that. So you're going to want to adjust your tax return and let IRS know that. So make sure it's correct. Don't assume it's correct. Do some digging and make sure you address this. If not, IRS is going to set up an assessment. They're going to go collect it, and if you let this go long enough, it could lead to a bank levy or a wage garnishment. I hope I've given you the information you needed on this letter. We are experts. We're available for representations and consultations. We've been doing this a long time. If this information was helpful, give me a subscription. That'd be really helpful. My information, by the way, is in the description section. And we've been doing this a long time, and we're really, really good at what we do. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, leave me a comment. You want me to do a YouTube on something? This came from a YouTube. This came from an idea from one of my subscribers. I got about, I don't know, 2,700. So you want me to do a YouTube? Stick it in a comment. Thanks for listening. I appreciate you.